Welcome to Science Academy. Dear student, in my previous class, I had taught you a poem, Daffodils. Today, we will read another poem, that is The Ballad of Father Gilligan. The poem is The Ballad of Father Gilligan. The Ballad of Father Gilligan. This is the poem, The Ballad of Father Gilligan, poet by William Butler Yeats, short form WB by W.B. Yeats. The poem is The Ballad of Father Gilligan by W.B. Yeats. Before teaching you the poem, I think I should tell you about ballad. What is ballad? Ballad is a form of poem. Ballad is a short or a narrative poem that tells about a story. Here in this poem, the poet W.B. Yeats has described about a priest whose name is Peter Gilligan, and he has depicted how Father Gilligan serves people, taking the concept service to mankind is service to God. This is the central idea or theme of the poem, The Ballad of Father Gilligan. Okay? The old priest Peter Gilligan was worried night and day, for half his folk were in their beds or under green swords lay. There was a priest named Peter Gilligan, whose service was to serve the people bedridden. It was his religious duty given by God. So he was serving the people who were in their beds, taking it as a religious duty assigned to him by God. So Gilligan was worried. Why Gilligan was worried? Peter Gilligan was worried because he had to serve the people from morning to night as his religious duty given to him by God. So he was worried. For half his folk were in their beds or under green sword lay. The people whom Peter Gilligan was serving, some of them were in their beds and some of them had been buried. So it tells us that Peter Gilligan had been assigned to his duty to serve the people who were bedridden. Once while he nodded on a chair, one day he was nodding on his chair because after doing duty from morning to evening, he was very physically tired. So to get refreshment from his tiredness, he was nodding on his chair. At that time, he was prayed by another person for his service. But Gilligan, as he was physically tired, he refused his prayer. Once while he nodded on a chair at the moth hour of eve, another poor man sent for him and began to grieve. When Gilligan was nodding on his chair, another poor man requested him for his service, but as Gilligan was physically tired, he refused his prayer. But after the man leaving the place, Gilligan brooded over his mistake. he thought that he had abnegated his duty by rejecting the prayer of the sick man who needed his service. Then he bowed down his head under the feet of God, praying him for his mistake. He was, as he was physically tired, he had abnegated, he had denied the prayer of the man, but then he realized that he had made a great mistake. He had not denied the prayer of the man, but he had denied the duty given to him by God. So he sought forgiveness from God, kneeling down, and said, God, forgive me. I had not denied the person, but I have denied the duty given to me. Next. He knelt and leaning on the chair, he prayed and fell asleep, and the moth hour went from the field, and star began to peep. Then he knelt and leaning on his chair, he prayed and fell asleep. Then time passed away, evening left the earth, night came, wind began to blow, and God covered the wall with a shade by spreading peace in the mind of the bored people who were tired physically and needed rest. God covered the wall with a shade and whispered to mankind. God covered the wall with a shade. That means when night comes, the people working in the field go to their bed for rest. So the poet says, God creates night for the people who are tired doing their duty in the daytime, and they take rest when night comes. Upon the time of a sparrow chirp, when the moth came once more, the old priest Peter Gilligan stood upright on the floor. Mavran, the man has died. While I slept under the chair, he rose his house out of his sleep and rode with little care. When the moth hour came again, that means when morning came, Gilligan came to know that the people or the person who requested for his service had died. Hearing this news, he was shocked. He atoned about his mistake that he had denied the person to serve. Then he rode on his horse and rushed to the sick man's house, knocked at his door, and came to know that the person was dead. He rode now as he never rode by rocky lane and fen. The sick man's wife opened the door. Father, you come again? Why did the sick man's wife say, Father, you come again? Because when the sick man's wife requested Gilligan to serve his husband who was bedridden, Gilligan had denied. But after some time, Gilligan came to serve her husband who died as a bird. That means when Gilligan was physically tired, God had sent an angel in guise of Gilligan, who served the sick man, and the sick man died as merry as a bird. Dear students, we have not seen God, but we have heard the greatness of God from our teachers, from our Puran, from our scriptures, from your grandmother or grandfather. But have you ever realized regarding the concept of God, regarding the entity of God, regarding the existence of God. No, I think we have never seen God, or no one has seen God. But you can realize, you can feel the existence of God if you think it deeply in your heart. You see, something happens. How? Night comes, then night goes away, day comes. If you observe the vast surrounding, the mountain, the stream, the sea, the river, the sun, the moon, the earth, the things that we see, who has created them? I think someone must have created this. And who is he? He is God. So when you will be grown up, you can realize the presence of God. Now, just I am telling you that God is omnipotent, omnivorous, and omnipresent. Everything that we see has created by God. We see the things like, suppose, river, forest. Whenever you will think about these things, you will be surprised to know that how these things are created. These things have been created by created by one of a mighty power, that is God. So God is called Almighty. Here, when Gilligan was physically tired, God realized that he could not serve the sick man. So he sent an angel who came in guise of Gilligan and served the sick man, and he died. So the poem Ballad of Gilligan tells about a priest named Gilligan whose service was to serve the people who were bedridden. He took his service as a service dedicated to serve the human beings. So in this poem, W.B. Yeats tells us that service to mankind is service to God should be a concept of every human being. We can feel or realize the presence of God by serving people. So in this poem, Peter Gilligan is considered such a person who had dedicated his life to serve the poor people as his religious duty given to him by God. Okay, dear students, I think some of you must have taken it difficult as I taught the poem completely or entirely in English version. Now I am telling the story in short in Odia. Okay, Peter Gilligan नामक जड़े पूजक थिले जहाँकर जीवनर व्रत थिला सेही अवहेलित निष्पेषित लोक मानकर सेवा करिबा। मानव सेवा ही ईश्वर सेवा थिला तांकर हृदयर प्रेरणा बा हृदयर सर्वस्व बा मनर सर्वस्व जहाँ से त्याग हिसाब सेवा हिसाब से त्याग करुथिले। गिलिगान सकाळु संज पर्यंत सही असहाय लोक मानकर सेवा करती जो माने शय्याशायी सेवा करी करी से क्लांत हो पड़ती किंतु केबे भी सेवारू विरक्ति नेवाई चाहती नहीं। दिने गिलिगान शारीरिक क्लांत थिले से एक चेयर उपर बसी ढुलाउथिले। इट वाज मथ आवर दैट मीन्स संध्या समय। आउ जड़े रोगी से गिलिगान सेवा पाई ताको प्रार्थना कला किंतु गिलिगान शारीरिक क्लांत थिबारु तार ତାର ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନାକୁ ଉପେକ୍ଷା କରିଥିଲେ। ପରେ ଗିଲିଗାନ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ସେ ଲୋକଟି ମରିଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଗିଲିଗାନ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପଡ଼ିଥିଲେ। ସେ ନିଜକୁ ବହୁତ ଧିକାର କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଯେଉଁ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଗବାନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟକୁ ଅବହେଳା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦତ୍ତ କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟକୁ ଯେ ଅବହେଳା କରେ ସେ ମୁକ୍ତି ପାଇପାରେ ନା ବୋଲି ଗିଲିଗାନଙ୍କର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଥିଲା। ଏଣୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଘୋଡ଼ା ଉପରେ ବସି କ୍ଷିପ୍ତ ବେଗରେ ମାଡ଼ି ଚାଲିଲେ ସେଇ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ହାଉସ୍ ଆଡ଼େ ଏବଂ ସେ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ର କବାଟ ଠକ୍ ଠକ୍ କଲେ। ଏହି ସମୟରେ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ର ୱାଇଫ୍ ସେ ଆସି ପଚାରେ, ମହାଶୟ ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଆସିଲେ? ମହାଶୟ ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ଆସିଲେ? ଅତଏବ ସେଇ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ୱାଇଫ୍ ଜାଣିନଥିଲା କି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗିଲିଗାନ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ଥିଲେ ଭଗବାନ ଜଣେ ଆଞ୍ଜଲକୁ ପଠାଇଥିଲେ ଯେ କି ତାଙ୍କ ରୂପରେ ଆସି ସେଇ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍କୁ ସେବା କରିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ଟି ମୁକ୍ତି ପାଇଥିଲା। ଏହି ହେଉଛି ଗପର ସାରାଂଶ। ଏବଂ ଯେ ଭଗବାନ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଥାନ୍ତି, ମାତ୍ର ମଣିଷ ତାଙ୍କର ସାହାଯ୍ୟକୁ ଜାଣିପାରେ ନା। ଯେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ବିନା ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ କିଛି ବି ହୋଇପାରେ ନା। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗିଲିଗାନ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ଳାନ୍ତକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରି ଭଗବାନ ଆଉ ଏକ ଦୂତ ପଠାଇଥିଲେ ବା ଆଞ୍ଜଲ ପଠାଇଥିଲେ ଯେ କି ଆସି ସେ ସିକ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ର ସେବା କରିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେ ମରିଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଥିମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ପୋଏମ୍ ଦ ବାଲାଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଫାଦର ଗିଲିଗାନ। Dear student, watch this video and I am giving only 2 questions. The first question, who is Peter Gilligan? Who is Peter Gilligan? Question 2, why was Gilligan worried? Why was Gilligan worried? EARY. Why was Gilligan worried? EARY worried. Why was Gilligan worried? And another question I am adding that why did Peter Gilligan seek forgiveness from God? Seek forgiveness from God. These are very simple questions. I think after watching this video you can answer these questions easily and send the answer to me. Okay, thanks for you, your Santosh sir.